In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do thousands of dollars worth of market research in literally 10 minutes using AI, and how you can use the same AI to help you craft an irresistible offer so you stand out in the marketplace instead of trying to compete for a race to the bottom with your prices, and come up with your ad copy and landing page copy, pretty much your whole marketing system. And I'm going to teach you how to do all of this in less than 15 minutes. It's freaking wild. And if you stay to the end of the video, I'm also going to give you all the prompts and everything you need to do this for yourself. Let's dive in. So here is where the magic happens. I like to map things out because it just makes it simpler when you're able to kind of see things from a bird's eye view instead of just trying to get in the weeds. So this is exactly the 6-7-figure offer blueprint that I walk through with all the offers that I create and also any of my clients. So the first step is market research. So all you have to do is literally take this prompt, open up ChatGPT, come here, and then paste it. And then you're going to hit something you've never done before. Hit the deep research mode. And I'm going to read the prompt so you understand what's in it. I need you to conduct a complete and deep market research and report for a new client project. Follow the exact structures carefully. Do not skip any sections. And here's the key information about the offer. So you have the product, brief product description, target audience, top 3 to 5 competitors. And then your task is to create a comprehensive marketing research document based on the following elements: persona profile, mass market desire, market sophistication, awareness level, competitive analysis, unique selling proposition, as well as emotional and practical needs and objections and risk reversals. And you're going to run this. And when you run this, it's going to take about 10 minutes. So go do something else. Go cook, go hit the gym, just let it cook. All right, so I've already done this because it does take a while and I don't think you want to watch paint dry on my computer. And here's what it outputs. All right, so I'll show you the beginning so you kind of see what happens. So I have this client, they work in the aesthetics industry. They have a lot of like Botox, fillers, cosmetic stuff, and they also do a lot of functional medicine stuff and medical weight loss, and they're really big into technology. So I put in their information. I said the offers that they have. So they have a T-shaped 2 package that they're doing, a 20% off right now. They have a Diamond Glow facial with 15% off, and they offer these StyQ scans, which is something that gives you like a 3D map of your body and what it looks like. And they also have this metabolic test that they run. All right, and they have Botox, right? So I put in the information, I put in the website, and then I said, find the target audience nationwide in the med spa aesthetics space. And then I ran the prompt. And then as you can see, it gave me all this information. It gave me the demographics, the psychographics, the pain points, the daily life overview, the purchasing behavior, the emotional drivers, and the market sophistication level. So the market sophistication level of people in this industry are going to be stage 5. They're the most sophisticated. So that really tells you how you should cater your marketing to them. They're not newbies. They understand what's out there. They've been marketed to before. They've been burned before. So you need to understand that, because that's going to dictate the messaging that you're going to have in your ad copy, your emails, your messages on Facebook, Instagram, your social media. This is super powerful stuff. So it tells you all that information, and then it tells you at different stages of awareness, what are some things that people are going to be aware of. So in the problem aware stage, they know that they have wrinkles, they feel out of shape, but they don't know what solutions exist. In the solution aware stage, they know some solutions are available for the problem. They might wonder which one is best for them. And then you have the product aware. So these people know about specific products or services, but they haven't decided where to get them done or if they should get them done. And then the most aware, these people know you exist. They know the products exist. Now they just need to be pushed over the edge by having a specific offer or a compelling offer from you and your business and your brand. And then from there, does a competitive analysis. So you know, okay, here are the other people in the marketplace that offer different things, and you can compare yourself to them. This is super clutch. I don't think you really understand how powerful this is. So there's ideal image, laser away, skin spirit. This stuff used to take so much time to do. You got the local luxury med spa. So it gives you that information, and then it helps you come up with a unique selling proposition. And this is huge, because your unique selling proposition is going to be what helps you stand out from everybody else. Because if you're like everybody else, you're just going to have to compete on price, but you need to make sure that you stand out above everybody else. And a unique selling proposition will help with that. But there's even another step that you want to take, and that is crafting an irresistible offer, which we're going to do in a second. All right, so it gives you all this great information, as you can see, even objections and risk reversals, which you can tie into your sales scripts and also your marketing. So that way people are pre-sold to work with you. So you have that information. Now, what we want to do is we're going to go back to my handy dandy flowchart, and our goal is to craft the offer. So we're going to take this prompt and we're going to throw it into the system. All right, so we're going to come back over here. based on the information for this client, follow the following prompt. All right, and just so we understand what's in this prompt, it's going to say, you are a $100 million offer architect and business model strategist. I'm launching this product. My goal is to create a $100 million style money model, an irresistible offer that massively increases perceived value, solves painful problems, and supports premium pricing. Please generate the following deliverables based on the principles in Alex Hormozi's $100 million offer books and $100 million leads. And then it breaks down every single thing that we want. Okay, so we're going to hit the button and let it cook. And very quickly, you can see that the value equation breakdown is the dream outcome is to look and feel younger, increase energy, lose stubborn fat, and gain total control over the metabolism with medical precision. And then the perceived likelihood of success is because you have expert-led PNOE resting metabolic testing, resting metabolic rate testing, STIQ 3D, and physician review plus customized results and reports equals 10 times higher confidence versus just a generic diet when it comes to losing weight. And then the time delay, these are a short test. You get an instant scan report and a same day actionable insights. So that's immediate gratification, and then effort and sacrifice. So there's no calorie counting, no guesswork. We tell you exactly what to do based on your unique biology. So this is just for one offer, which is essentially the metabolic testing. And then it's going to give you some other stuff like the core offer build out. So advanced metabolic blueprint experience. It's a 30-minute precision testing and wellness consultation that reveals exactly how your metabolism works and how to optimize it for visible results. Doesn't it sound, that sounds great. Sounds good. Sounds better than just a meal plan and a calorie calculator. All right. So it even gives you some names: the metabolic blueprint experience, the body code analysis and optimization, the confidence catalyst, your metabolic DNA test, and it gives you some deliverables. So you get the metabolic test, the 3D body composition scan, the one-on-one physician consultation, personalized nutrition and training recommendations, the metabolic map report, which is a visual roadmap of calorie zones, fat versus carbs, so you know exactly how to train to get better results. And you have optional add-ons. This is brilliant. This is freaking brilliant. And then you have the money model design. So these are different ways that you can structure your payment plans, your programs, your offers to drive revenue. So the premium one-time offer model is typically for front-end acquisition. You can have maybe $297 to the $497 per advanced metabolic blueprint experience. And then you can get bonus scans, and the average order value might end up being around $375. So it's kind of between the two. And you have a high gross margin because you don't need much to deliver this stuff other than paying your staff and keeping your lights on. It's great stuff. And then you have the high ticket continuity. So they did that part, but now you want to upsell them into something else. So it's the metabolic mastery program. So it's a 12-week custom nutrition plus aesthetic optimization package. It's more money, obviously $2K to $3,500. And this has IP therapy, hormone optimization, and aesthetics for a full transformation. And then it gives you the gross margin on that. Obviously, these are just general numbers, but it gives you an idea. So you're not just selling one-off products, because that's where a lot of healthcare people really kind of get in trouble, is that they sell products instead of transformations. But you need to sell transformation because that's the only thing that really matters. Also has a membership, which is great because it leads to recurring revenue and is more likely to get people to be more compliant, get better results, and you can have like a low ticket program. And the great thing is, like, when you have monthly recurring memberships, it gives you so much stability in your business, knowing that you're going to have money consistently coming in. A lot of times you feel like at the beginning of the month, you're starting at zero, even if you're doing high ticket products, if you do not have some sort of recurring membership built into your program, right? And then it has some of the offer stack and bonuses, like we mentioned earlier, has some pricing strategies, some risk reversals. So love your results guarantee. If you don't feel more confident and clear about your body after your test, we'll retest or credit the full amount towards any treatment. Sounds great. These are some great things that you probably don't have in your stuff. So then it's going to ask you, okay, well, now that I did all this stuff, would you like me to build out the landing page, wireframe, and ad copy using these hooks and the Hormozi offer stack? Yes, help me build out the landing page ad copy. So it's going to do that, and it's going to help you get started, which is freaking amazing. All right, landing page copy, unlock your metabolic blueprint. Discover what's really holding you back and fix it in 30 minutes. Personalized metabolic testing that reveals exactly how your body burns fat, energy, and calories so you can finally lose weight, boost energy, and look incredible without guessing. And then it gives you some information, book your free metabolic test plus 3D scan, claim my spot now. And then it even gives you some visuals that you might want to add onto the scene. Has a pain point and promise section, the dream outcome section, the social proof and authority section, what's included, offer stack, and then it has some visual proof and explainer video. So it kind of tells you, hey, if you're going to do something like this, you probably should have a video that explains how it works. All right. And then you have some more risk reversals, urgency and scarcity, where we can only accept 20 new Blueprint clients this month. And then some trust and objection handling, where you have the frequently asked questions, and then a final CTA. So ready to finally take control of your body? There you go. And then it says, would you like me to design this into a ready to build wireframe with layout zones for copy, CTA placement? Now this thing can design your website. However, I do not like when it does, because you cannot see what you're building until after it's done and you put it into an HTML editor. So in a future video, I'll actually show you how to essentially vibe code your website, where you literally just speak to an AI and it'll help you design a beautiful website. If you want to know my opinion, I typically recommend using something like Lovable or Claude to design websites, because they're better at doing it and it's a very fun visual experience. You can just talk to it and build some beautiful stuff. So I'll show you how to do that in another video. But what you can do with this, now that we have the landing page copy, we have the offer, we have so much powerful information, we need to think about our ads. So what are we going to put in our ad copy? All right, great. Help me come up with 5 ad copy angles for a Facebook marketing campaign. So let's see what it came up with. So the frustration relief angle. So this is problem aware, solution aware. So as you can see, we're building different types of marketing angles depending on where they are in the awareness stages, because that's important. A lot of people just kind of always hit people with like the solution aware angle, and that doesn't work because you're competing with everybody else. So you want to make sure that you hit all these different angles. So here's one. You're doing everything right. So why isn't it working? You eat clean, you work out, you do everything right, yet your energy is low and your body won't respond. The truth is your metabolism might be out of sync. Our advanced metabolic test reveals how your body actually burns calories, so you can finally see results that last. Science-based, fast, and personalized. Stop guessing, get tested today. Beautiful. And then it gives you some creative directions. So before and after split, frustrated, empowered woman reviewing her metabolic report. So it gives you all that. If you wanted to do Google ads, you could do that as well. And the last thing that I'll show you guys how to do is, say you wanted to take all this information and build out a newsletter for all your new leads. Help me create a welcome series email newsletter that is 5 emails long for each new lead. All right, so say you're gathering leads, you gave them a free report or something, or a free coupon, but now they come in, now you're barraging them with beautiful emails that are educational. Let's read the first one. And welcome to the new era of confidence and wellness. You're gonna send this immediately after signing up. You're gonna create connection, reinforce brand identity, and set expectations. You're gonna say, hi, first name. Welcome to the Vitality and Aesthetics Institute, where confidence, vitality, and science come together. We're excited to help you discover how your body truly works, starting with your advanced metabolic test, a quick data-driven way to unlock lasting energy, better fat loss, and total clarity. Here's what's coming your way. Exclusive health insights, beauty science tips, sneak peeks, real client transformations, and early access to our limited time offers. Your journey into looking and feeling your best starts now. Book your complimentary metabolic test plus 3D scan before our October spots fill up. It even knows what month it is. It's crazy. So that one's a little generic, but let's look at what the second one is. The truth about your metabolism and why it's not your fault. This is day 2. The goal, build authority, educate, and show empathy. Hi, first name. Ever feel like you're doing everything right, but your body won't respond? That's because generic diets and workouts ignore one critical factor: your metabolism. At the Vitality and Aesthetics Institute, we use clinical grade testing to measure how your body burns energy, so you can finally stop guessing and start getting results. What you'll learn from your test: how efficiently your body burns fat versus carbs, the exact calorie range where you'll lose weight or gain weight, and why you feel fatigued and how to fix it fast. It's not about eating less, it's about eating right for your body. So book your test now and receive a complimentary 3D scan, which is typically $150. And then it's going to say, claim my free metabolic test. Right? So it has all these things. So now you've had the emails done, you've had the ad copy done, you have the landing page copy done. You can even build out a video sales letter. Now, help me come up with a 3 to 5 minute video sales letter script for this offer to maximize conversions. All right. So now it's going to give you the script. You're eating right, you're working out, you're doing everything right, but nothing's changing. If that sounds familiar, it's not your fault. The truth is your body has its own metabolic fingerprint, and until you understand it, you're just guessing. Here at the Vitality and Aesthetics Institute, we use science, not guesswork, to help you find the look and feel your best. Most people don't realize their metabolism is completely unique. Two women can eat the same meal and exercise the same way and get totally different results. Why? Because your metabolism, your oxygen use, and your fat burning rate are as personal as your DNA. So if you've been feeling tired, stuck, or frustrated, your body isn't broken. It just needs to be understood. Don't we all? All right, so I hope you're starting to figure out just how powerful this thing is. And that's why I'm so excited. All right, so if you want access to all the prompts that I used down below this video, check them out. I left them there for free. You can join my community where I have tons of these prompts to help you simplify your life, make yourself way more efficient. And if you're someone that needs a little bit of help with your marketing and you want us to just look at what you're doing and come up with a game plan to help you scale from where you are to where you want to be, feel free to do that as well. There's another link in my bio. But either way, use these tools to level up your business, your brand, and your life, because we are in an amazing time in history that is unprecedented, and you need to use it to your advantage, not to be overwhelmed, but to be efficient. Well, that's all I have for now. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and I'll see you in the next video. Now go out there and scale.